हेलो हाय नमस्कार आदाब एक बार फिर से आप सबका स्वागत है फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स प्रेजेंट्स द रियल सुपर वीमेन अवार्ड्स 2020 में।
इस अवार्ड शो में हम आपको भारत की महिलाओं से मिलवाने जा रहे हैं जिन्होंने विपरीत परिस्थितियों में भी पूरी शिद्दत और लगन के साथ एक नया मुकाम हासिल किया है।
तो चलिए बिना आपका ज्यादा समय लिए मिलवाते हैं उन रियल सुपर वीमेन से। लेट्स हैव अ लुक।
Amita Singh, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of multi-talent from Bhubaneswar. Be an example for women and youth generation. Wish you all the luck for your bright future ahead. Thank you. Surekha Kamble, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of social worker from Thane, Maharashtra. You are a writer. You have worked in Social Articles magazine as vice editor. You have also worked in social NGO at Women's Social Awareness. Keep up the great work. You are an inspiration for society. Thank you. Soma Lahiri Malik, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of counselor from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. You are a psychologist counselor and your passion is to gather knowledge and to spread knowledge to our country and internationally. You are working as an honor and psychologist counselor at Positive Mindset. You are working as a writer, some of your book published in Bengali language. Thank you for your contribution to society. Anjali Pandey, you are being awarded in the category of poet from Kanpur Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. You are working in a district court of Kanpur Nagar. You have also worked in the welfare of society and members of some political and non-political organizations. So keep serving the nation. Thank you. Nupur Patil, you are being awarded in the category of Tarot Card Reader from Indore City, Madhya Pradesh. You are a tarot professional and a counselor and healer. You have also written for Hyderabad-based lifestyle magazine. Your hobbies are singing and dancing. So keep singing and spreading love. Thank you. Sunita Malik, you are being awarded in the category of IT Advisor from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. You are currently working in Events Development Company as QA Technical Lead. You are highly experienced in your profession to accept any challenge. You also motivate team members to achieve their goals. So keep motivating and inspiring people. Thank you. Anjali Jangam, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Business Women from Pune, Maharashtra. आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, साथ ही एक आर्टिस्ट और इवेंट प्लानर भी। रिसेंटली आप एक ऑनलाइन शो लेकर आए हैं जिसमें हर उम्र के पार्टिसिपेंट्स आकर अपना टैलेंट दिखा सकते हैं। गुड लक फॉर द शो एंड थैंक यू फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म टू टैलेंट। शेरिन चेको, you are being awarded in the category of Motivational Speaker from Idikku, Kerala. You have uploaded many inspiring videos during this pandemic and recently working as a teacher at Bethany Ashram High School in Cherukulanji. You have written 5 books and your 5th book is in Malayalam, which is about corona awareness, named Coronail. So keep motivating the nation. Thank you. Manjula Srinivas Gupta, you are being awarded in the category of Art and Culture from Chikbalapur, Karnataka. You are a micro artist. You have received several records like India Book of Record, Vajra World Record, Assist World Record, and one Guinness Book Record. You are an inspiration for the nation. Thank you. Dr. Anmol Bagaria, congratulations. You are being awarded in the category of Doctor from Mumbai, Maharashtra. You are a doctor, a founder, and CEO of Sinodent. It is a unique platform introduced first time in India, a digital healthcare platform, first time in dentistry. You had also designed ideas for oral health awareness and education, which had made history on international level. And recently, you were invited on national television on Doctor's Panel for live interview on COVID-19 situation. You are an inspiration for society. Good luck for your future. Thank you.
ये थी द रियल सुपर वुमेन अवार्ड 2020 की पहली लिस्ट।
और अब आपको क्या करना है, आप शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, क्योंकि हर किसी को अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए जरूरत होती है सपोर्ट की, और वो सिर्फ आप लोग दे सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको मिलवाने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसी और शख्सियतों से जिन्होंने मेहनत और शिद्दत से नए आयाम कायम किए। तब तक के लिए बाय। अब चलते हैं यार, तब तक करते रहेंगे। आप अपना ध्यान रखिए, हम फिर मिलेंगे
नेक्स्ट वीडियो।